Welcome back. We are in Unit 1, Session 2 this week. Um, Hopefully you guys are feeling pretty well acquainted with how things go on Schoology in this course. If not, just let me know. We can work through it. Any questions that you have, any concerns you have. Some people feeling really overwhelmed. I'm here to help with all that. Please make sure you're watching the videos. They are going to always be linked here in our updates. Obviously, this is still last week's video, this is last week's update. But pretty much, they'll look really similar every week. You can access your materials here, or you can come over here to materials fall semester. If you guys have not, if you joined us late, or if you weren't around the first week, please make sure that you've gone through this orientation. Everyone must do this. If you don't do it, I continue to bother you until you do it. Just do it. There's 4 really important assignments in there. Please do them. They shouldn't take you longer than an hour. The thing that will take the longest is the Show What You Know quiz. It's just a pretest, just to figure out how you're coming in as a 9th grader. And then you can move on to Unit 1, Session 2. We are going to continue our reading this week. We're going to read all the way through Raymond's Run and be answering some big idea questions about Raymond's Run. First, though, you guys are going to read through an article that talks about strategies for pushing through a boring text. You will read text that you don't find interesting. So you'll need to figure out some good strategies for pushing through those. So we'll discuss that. One thing I want to mention here is this community building discussion. They are completely optional. You're not going to get points taken away for not participating in them, but I will throw you some extra credit points for participating in them. They're just to get to know each other, to hang out, have a place to have fun. They're not required, but I will give you some extra credit points. Last 2 things. Trusted adult survey, that just helps to get to know who you are feeling a connection with, or who you potentially could connect with as far as teachers go in the future. I know we're only 3 weeks in, but hopefully you're starting to get a sense of who you jive with and all that kind of stuff. If you have not made a connection, or you're just not feeling that yet, totally fine. There's a place for you on that, but just make sure you guys do take that for us. Last thing, let me know how things are going. If there's something outside of school you want me to know about, you can put it here. Of course, you don't have to let me know about anything going outside of school, but that's your option. Let me know how things are going with Schoology, with ELA, all that kind of stuff. If everything's going great, awesome. If there's something that is keeping you down or holding you back, let me know here. Awesome. Let me know if you guys need anything. Other than that, I hope you have a great week.